If you're in line waiting to vote, why don't you learn how to make tortillas while you're waiting? To a bowl, you're going to add in 2.5 cups of flour, and then you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix it all together, and then you're going to slowly add in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then you're going to work the vegetable oil into the flour with your hands. You should get a nice crumbly consistency once the vegetable oil has been worked in. Then add in 189 milliliters of water and keep mixing until a dough starts to form. Continue rolling your dough on a work surface, and if needed, add more flour. You want to keep rolling until your dough ball is smooth. You can cover your dough ball for 10 minutes to help make it smooth. After 10 minutes, uncover it and continue kneading. And at the end, you should have a perfectly round, smooth dough ball. And then you can divide your dough ball into 35-gram dough balls. This will give you small tortillas. If you want bigger tortillas, then you can cut your dough into 70 grams. Next, using a small rolling pin, roll out your dough balls as flat as possible. Then you're going to add them to a hot skillet and cook on each side. You'll notice at the first side it will start to bubble. That's your sign to flip it over and cook the other side. You should be cooking these about 2 minutes on each side. Not only can you stand in line and perform your civic duty, you can learn how to make the best tortillas that you'll ever have.